In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Card Container. A container in Card is your layout workhorse. It groups elements together so you can control spacing, backgrounds, and alignment in one place, and it makes responsive design much easier. First, go to your Card dashboard and open the site you want to edit in the builder. At the top of the editor, click the plus icon to add a new element. From the element picker, choose Container. This drops a blank container onto your canvas. Look to the Settings panel and open the Type menu. Start with Default to create a simple wrapper. Then, for this walkthrough, switch to Columns so you can place content side by side. Columns are great for headlines and buttons next to images, or for organizing features into neat blocks. With the container selected, click the plus icon again to add something inside it. Choose Text. A text block appears on the canvas. Drag it into the container until you see the drop highlight and release. Once it's in, edit the placeholder text to label your section or add a short description. You can fine-tune font, size, and alignment right from the text settings. Next, open the element picker again and choose Buttons and Other. Drag a button into another column within the same container. As you add more elements, images, icons, or additional text, they'll snap into place inside the columns. Use the container settings to adjust the number of columns, the gap between them, padding around the content, and how the layout stacks on mobile. If something doesn't land where you expect, make sure the container is selected before you drag, and watch for the highlight that confirms you're dropping inside it. That little visual cue prevents stray elements on the page. And that's it. You've added a container, chosen its type, placed text inside, and brought in buttons and other elements all organized and ready to style.